So this is a bit more footage that I recorded back in February. I'd come over to cut the grass, and the farmer who owns the field that the post is in had put his cattle into the field, and unfortunately they took a shine to the solar panel, and they'd knocked that off its mounting points here on the fence. I use a solar panel to charge all the batteries down below ground that I use to run the lights and run the radio set and anything else that I need to run 12 volt off. But yeah, I really hope the grass is doing well now. It's been 2 months since I was there now, so I would imagine it's going to be getting pretty high. So hopefully I can get over soon once the lockdown is over. But here you can see the radio cover, and if you remove that inside, you have a 12 volt charging point, you've got an antenna connection, and you've got a pneumatic air line. And the 12 volt connection was originally to charge the batteries with a petrol electric generator, and the observers used this plug. It's a knife fan plug, and I just thought I'd reuse it to connect the solar panel up, make a good connection. But yeah, the pneumatic line and the antenna used to run out here and run over to that sort of black mount there where the mast would be, and the pneumatic line was to pump it up from below ground. And you can also see here the cows have done more damage to my telephone connection. I didn't have any tools with me, and when I go back the next time, I am going to remove the wiring and put it inside a tube to keep it safe. You can see there that cow tried to eat my phone as I was recording this. But yeah, I'm going to have to make that good the next time I go over. And I'm just oiling the hasps here for the padlocks. Every time I go over, I always stick oil on all the metal parts just to keep them good. Obviously in the winter time, a lot of moisture about. And yeah, the hatch, it's going to get repainted too the next time I go over. It's starting to get a little bit flaky. And the cows surrounding me as I'm here. They always think I'm going to feed them. But you can see here, I had some cable ties in the van, so I very, very quickly did a little repair, which should hopefully keep. Fingers crossed anyway. It should still be okay when I go back the next time. But this was just a very quick video to show you what was happening with the bunker. But as always, thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.